In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically post content from your website directly into your Telegram group. As you can see on my screen, I already have a bot running inside Command Prompt. Every time a new post is published on my website, the bot detects it and sends it instantly to my Telegram group. There is no manual posting, no copy and paste. Everything happens automatically. This method is very useful if you run a blog, a tech website, or a news platform, and you want your Telegram members to receive updates immediately. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Now let's start by creating the Telegram bot itself. Open Telegram and search for BotFather. BotFather is the official Telegram bot used to create and manage other bots. Start a chat with BotFather and type the command/new bot. BotFather will ask you to choose a name for your bot and then a username. After completing this step, BotFather will generate a bot token. This token is very important, so copy it and keep it safe. Next, go to your Telegram group and add the bot to the group. Make sure to set the bot as an admin so it can send messages. Without admin permission, the bot will not be able to post. Next, open your website in the browser. Locate your website's feed, also known as the RSS feed. This is usually found by adding /feed at the end of your website URL. Copy the feed link. Now go back to the Notepad file and paste the code. Inside the code, replace the bot token with the one you got from BotFather. Then replace the feed link with your website's feed URL. Save the file after making these changes. Now let's move to the computer. Open Command Prompt, then create a new Notepad file. This file will contain the Python code that controls the bot. Save the file with a .py extension, for example, web-to-telegram.py. This tells the computer that the file is a Python script. The last step is getting your Telegram group ID. One way to do this is by using the raw data bot on Telegram. Simply send your group name to the bot, and it will reply with the group ID. Make sure the ID starts with -100. If it doesn't, add -100 manually at the beginning. Alternatively, you can get the group ID using Telegram Web or Developer Tools. Once you have the correct group ID, place it inside the code, save the file, and run the script. At this point, your bot is fully connected. Any new post on your website will now be sent automatically to your Telegram group.